It's okay. Okay. So let's take a look at some questions, okay? Actually, the question is same, but just the numbers getting bigger, okay? So there are some hints that I would like to help you to do that, okay? So first of all, I want you to take a look at this one. Second of all, let's take a look at this one and this one, okay? I don't know how many of you have done through this one or no.
I
But
didn't
let me
even
just,
get to all those.
okay, not there yet, but don't worry about it. So let's take a look at the first one. 75 minus 39 plus 59. Okay, everybody take a look. So I'm going to make this one 59 minus 39 first. Serena understands? Cynthia? Okay, so this one will be 20. So the question became 75 plus 20. So the answer is 95. So it's going to be much easier if you do 75 minus 39. It's going to be like, 要退位，对不对？就很麻烦。Understand, Violet, Emma?
Wait,
Okay?
Carrie,
Hmm.
isn't it 75 minus and then 39 plus 59?
Yeah, so I can do this part first. Get it? I do this part first. So this part will be 59 minus 39. So it will be 20, right? So
But then why is
75,
it a plus sign?
pardon me?
Then
So
why
I
is it
can
a
do
plus
this. I
sign?
can just remove this one, 75 plus 59 and minus 39. I can just remove these two, right? So I
Okay.
can do this part. Understand? Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So 79 minus 51 plus 31. So that's the same thing, right? So everybody, so 79 plus 31 and minus 51. So these two will be what? Minus 20. So 79 minus 20 equals 59. Understand? So we'll be much quicker. So the same thing as 96 minus 43 plus 23. We can just do this part first as negative 20. So it's 96 minus 20 equals 76. Get it? And this one, 84 plus minus 57 plus 26. So I can do these two first, equals 110 minus 57, so equals 53. Get it? Okay, so by using this technique, so you're going to be doing everything much, much quicker. Ariel, understand? Okay, so Violet maybe said, 老师，这有什么关系? Okay, so this is we called the number filling. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, so there's another thing I want you to do with you. Okay, because all the girls in this class is having higher level, so we can just do a little bit harder thing. So for instance, if we have uh 4 times 6 and minus 8 times 2, okay? So I know this one is very easy, but if I have a 4 times 106 and minus 8 times 54, okay? So everybody, this question will be very big, right? But I want you to take a look at this one, Ariel. 8 has what? 8 equals 4 times 2, right? Correct? I can rewrite it, this one, as something like that. Correct, Violet? Okay, and we can take 4 times out, equals 106 minus 108. So the answer is negative 8. So it's much quicker because 106 minus 108 equals negative 2. Understand, Serena? So when we are learning, so next week, we're going to learning something really fancy. Okay, so for instance, I just to give you a little bit hint because this week we're going to still learning something else. So Emma, I want to show you, I want to ask you, okay? So if we have 2x plus 9.5x and minus 7.5x. So how do we do it? We can just take x out, right? So 2 plus 9.5 minus 7.5. So the answer, this one equals what? Equals 4. So the answer is 4x. Understand? So next week, we're going to learning how to factoring every single harder one, okay? But today, we're going to still doing first thing first is, I want to ask you, what is average? Okay, very good. Thank you, Emma. So I want to ask Violet, do you still remember what does average mean?
Yeah.
What does average mean? Violet, can you tell me?
The all the I don't know how to say it.
So what is that? So for instance, Ariel has $20, okay? Serena, how much money you have?
I don't know.
Okay, let's say Serena has 35, okay? So Cynthia, how much money you have?
Uh, 32.
Okay, 32, okay. Okay, Emma, how much money you have?
I have 41.
41, okay. So how much money does Violet have?
I never counted, but my piggy bank's really heavy, and my
So
wallet
let's
is.
see, 95.
Oh.
92. Let's see, 92. Okay, so
I'm-
everybody, so that is how much money everybody in this class have. So if we want to know the average, how much money we have is plus them together and divided by what?
divided
Ariel?
by 5.
5, very good. Okay, so everybody, please count how much money averagely.更好的小朋友发给老师啊。Okay, very good. Okay, Serena, Cynthia, Emma has calculated and they're right. Okay, so how do we do it? Okay, so
I'll
first
send
of
you
all,
the answer, Carrie.
okay, good job, Violet. 哎呀，Ariel，你在干嘛？Ariel 为什么没有发给我？嗯，Ariel 发给我了吗？Ariel 没有发给我。Ariel 说我忘了发了，我忘了发了，Ariel。Okay, everybody, so let's take a look at this one. Very good. Okay, we got it all right. Okay, so that means averagely everybody is going to have $44. So I want to ask Emma the lemma, a very simple question. What does 44 mean? What does this 44 mean?
This 44 means like what exactly do you want me to explain?
Yeah, so like, no, 什么叫 averagely everybody have 44? But actually, Ariel 是20块钱，对不对？那 Serena 是35块钱 ，Cynthia 是32块钱，然后你是41块钱，然后 Violet 是92块钱，那怎么会变成大家都是44块钱？How possible it is? Okay, so what does it mean? Okay, that means average means we want to make everybody same. Okay, Emma? So that is very important, okay? Everybody, can you hear me? 大家不动啊。 Hello, everybody.
Where
Sorry.
did you go?
Yeah, the computer is like just my Wi-Fi just off.
Ariel was the host.
Okay, everybody take a look, okay? So my question is, I have a problem here. Is sorry, what is the number before? Oh my God, so 20.
20 and 35 and 32,
And then 41.
31, and then 92.
Okay, thank you, okay? So we plus them together and divide it by 5. And then everybody's having $44. Okay, so 这个时候 Ariel 跳出来 Ariel 说 So how possible that my $20 became 44? Okay, so I think the people who is the angriest is Violet. Okay, Violet said, how possible that my $92 became 44? Okay, so Cynthia, I want everybody to take a look at here, okay? So there's a very, very important thing here is, what is the meaning of average? So average means we want to make everything the same. Understand, Serena? Okay, so how to? So actually here, we have a very proud and very good person here, and her name is Violet. Because she is giving $24 to Ariel, and she's giving $9 to Emma,
What?
and she is giving, sorry, Serena, and she's given $12 to Cynthia, and she's giving $3 to Emma. So that's why 92 minus 24 minus 9 minus 12 minus 3 equals 44. Get it? So it's not that Emma's money is being increased or Serena's money has been increased. No, it is actually we are taking Violet's money and equally shared with somebody else's. Get it, everybody? So that is the meaning of average. Okay, but sometimes it's not necessarily we're always taking the money from one person. Okay, for instance, Ariel, how many apples you can eat per day?
5.
Okay, 5 apples. Emma, how many apples you can eat per day?
10.
Oh, okay. How many apples you can eat, Violet?
Are you counting normal apples or mini apples that I get from my friends?
Normal
mini
apples.
They're this big.
Mhm.
1.
Okay. Serena, how many apples you can eat?
2.
Okay. How many apples you can eat, Cynthia?
6.
6. Okay. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So my question is, how many apples averagely the girls in this class can eat?
What?
Okay, so I have received 3 girls. Okay, very good. Okay. Violet, why you're so depressed?
You have to give
You're all
it.
stealing my money.
Okay,
You
Violet.
guys are robbers.
Yeah, so 25 cannot divide it by 5. Okay, so Violet doesn't know how to do that. Let's just make Violet eat 2 apples, okay? So make everything easier. So everybody, so it's 5 apples, okay? So 25 divided by 5 equals 5. And 4.8, you're right. Everybody, you're right, okay? So now let's take a look at this one. So everybody is eating 5 apples. That means what? That means Ariel stay the same. Ariel stay eating her apples, okay? But Emma, because she ate 10 apples, so she's going to give 3 apples to Violet and 3 apples to Serena. Okay, so, oh, no, only 2, sorry, because that is making Emma 5, okay? And so this one is Cynthia is giving Serena 1 apple as well, okay? So I'm very happy that actually Violet has telling me that she is depressed. Okay, who's not going to be depressed? Because think about it, that's my own money, right? I don't want to share with somebody like even if you're my classmates, right? But think about it, everybody. So let's see, we're having a math class, okay? We're having a math contest. Okay,
What?
Ariel is having 98 points, okay? Emma is having 2 points, okay? So if we calculate the average, so no, not Emma, Carrie having 2 points, okay? So 50 points. So that means immediately Ariel is giving 48 points to Carrie. Who does like that? So let me ask you a very simple question. Who has less money? Who has less point? Of course, they want everything to be averaged. Correct? And who doesn't like average, Emma? The people who's more money and people who's having higher points, they don't like average. They don't like average. Correct? Okay, so let me tell you one thing about the Canadian society, okay?
Average is mean.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
Canada is a country that they love to average everything. Okay, so let me just tell you something. So for instance, Serena became a dentist. Okay, when she grown up. Okay, so she earned, let's say, $500,000 per year. Okay,
Okay.
so Serena is very rich. Okay, because she learned very hard and she did a lot of study, and to become a dentist, she passed a lot of contests. But there's a student. No, there's a people. Okay, he is not she. Sorry. Is let's just to make them all in girls, okay? People like preventing people think I am racist. So I said, there's a girl like she never pay attention to study, okay, and she end up being a homeless. Okay, so
You
she
can
has,
say that one's a boy.
so she has no money at all every year, right? She's living on the street. But how much money, Serena needs to pay for the tax? Serena needs to pay 250,000 tax a year. So this 250,000 goes to where? Part of them go to the homeless that they don't want to study, they don't want to do anything, but they can average your money. Understand, Serena? Okay, so don't you think that is fair? Do you think that's so-called fair? No. For people of like somebody like Serena, like Violet, like Cynthia, because you're going to be somebody really good at study and you're going to be somebody is having a very good job, right? Emma and Ariel, right? But the people who's on the homeless, who's on the street, they're going to say, okay, average everything is kind of very fair. Because why you can have so much money and I don't have nothing? Get it, everybody? So the reason I'm telling you this is based on the country, okay? So the country think the average is very fair, so we have to follow the strategy. I don't think it's fair. Don't you think so, Emma? I don't think it's fair. Yeah. Okay, so let's just learn something right now, okay? So today we also need to learn, there's the one thing. It's called a mode. Does anybody here remember what is mode? Okay, so who can tell me what is mode? No. Emma?
It's the number that appears the most in the pattern.
Very good. If I give you sets of numbers, okay, Cynthia, 52, 52, 0, 3, and 5. Okay, so 52 appear twice and other numbers only appear once. So the mode of these numbers is 52. Okay, so who can tell me what is medium? Okay, Ariel?
Is it like the middle
The middle what?
number?
Very good. The middle number, okay? Middle number. Okay, so 0, 3, 5, 52, and 52. So you put them in order. The middle number is the medium. Understand? Okay, so today we also learned one thing new. It's called range. So what does a range mean, Serena?
Is it like the biggest and the smallest number?
Yes, so it's 52 minus 0 equals 52. Okay, get it? Very good, everybody. Okay, so now let's just move to the. 哎呀，我又找不到了。我的
That's
I,
how my mom talks.
your mom talks what?
我就找不到了。
哎，Violet，你喜欢你爸爸还是喜欢你妈妈？啊，
I'm gonna write it in the chat so my mom doesn't see. Well, she can see if she
yeah,
wants.
she cannot see. No.
Wait.
OK，哎，那个 Ariel，你喜欢妈妈还是喜欢爸爸？
都喜欢。
No, there must be. Okay.
Mom.
I think everybody loves their mom a little bit better, right? Most of the kids are like that. Okay.
Actually, I like both of them, but in different ways.
Cool.
But I don't want to sleep with my dad.
Okay, so today we're going to learn the thing is called the average, right? But we're going to learn a little bit more different than the average thing, okay? So let's take a look at this one. So we know that the average is usually like the total sum divided by the total unit, right? But we also have a what? The total score, right? Everybody? So what is the total score is like, sorry, average score is what? The total score, for instance, Ariel get 98, and Serena get 94, and Cecilia get 99 or something like that, just to plus them together and divide the number of the test, right? And average speed is something I want to ask everybody. Do you know what does average speed mean? Okay, so this is a very important thing. I want you to write this down, okay? So I'm going to sing the song, everybody. So total distance equals what? Is the total average speed is the total distance divided by total hour speed span. Okay, everybody, please write it up.
Can you say it again?
So average speed 那个叫什么Violet， 你先把这个抄下来。
Harry, did my mom send you the homework?
Okay, everybody, did you write it down? This one, an average weight and average score is kind of easy, but average speed is a little bit hard. Okay, so everybody, so did you write it down? If you write it down, let's take a look at the first question, okay? So 6 boys, average weight is 40 kilogram. 4 girls, the average weight is 30 kilogram. What is average weight of these 10 people? Okay.
Carrie, it doesn't let me send you the answer.
Yes, please.
No, it doesn't say I can send you the answer.
Huh?
Oh,
Oh,
wait, never mind. Never
yeah, you
mind.
can send it to me. I saw it. 啊，好，哎呀，哎呀，好，全部打屁股啊！到现在还没有一个人做对的。题目再读一遍。Six boys' average weight is 40 kilograms. What does it mean? 这句话什么意思？哎呀，总算看到一个人，好像有可能
老师，
对。
我发不了，
啊，你
它显示您不在教室。
啊？
啊，
那别的小朋友怎么发给我了？别的小朋友发给我了，你要不然 Cynthia，要不然先退出，然后再进来一次啊。
So I think it's because like when you left,
嗯哼，
it changed to like a different Carrie.
哦。Okay, good job, Cynthia. Okay, Serena，看看啊，哎呀，Emma 都不对，都不对。哎，Emma 说3，怎么可能是3呢？这小孩儿这是刚出生就3，看不
That
看
was a mistake. That was a mistake.
嗯哼。Okay, so everybody, thank you, Cynthia. You got it right. Okay, so Serena and Ariel, everybody, you need to look at the first question. The first sentence. Okay, 6 boys' average weight is 40 kilogram. What does it mean? That means 每一个小朋友他们都是平均40公斤。So these 6 boys, the total weight is what? 240 kilogram. Understand? And the 4 girls' average weight is 30, so their average is 120 kilogram. So how to calculate the average weight of these 10 people is 240 plus 120, and then divided by 6 plus 4. So the answer is 360 divided by 10. So the answer is 36 kilograms. Understand? Total weight divided by total person. I know. Like Ariel 说啊，我怎么做错？Good job, Cynthia. Okay, good, very good.
I was down by 1.
Okay, so everybody, let's take a look at this one. In the last report card, the average score for Jaden's English and math is 89. So what does it mean? Okay, think about it. He took English, math, and Spanish this year. In order to make his average score this year to be 2092, what is the Spanish score? This question is hard, okay? But I want you to think about it.
so does that mean his English is 89 and his math is 89, or together is 89?
Yes. Who asked this question? The average score is English and math is 89. That means English and math is both 89. So English is 89, math is also 89. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
OK，好，Serena，你跟我说 Spanish 8分，你想想看好了，什么叫 average score for this year gonna be 92？什么意思？现在原来有 English，有 Math，有 Spanish，对不对？好了，你看啊，现在 English 和 Math 都是89，Spanish 几分不知道，对不对？
Wait, I'm not done.
但是他们平均了以后，when they averaged, after they averaged, think about it, they're gonna be 92, 92, and 92. Get it? OK，所以这道题目我们完全可以不用计算。So remember how Violet is giving us money. So that's the same thing. In order to make English become 92, we need 3 points. And in order to make math 92, we need 3 points as well. So how does these 6 coming from? Of course, it's coming from where? Coming from Spanish. So Spanish minus 6 equals 92. 那 Spanish 等于多少？92加6等于98. And you can check 89 plus 89 plus 98 divided by 3 equals what? Equals 92. Understand, everybody? Understand? Okay, so this is how we get it. And this one is the easiest way to find out the answer. Okay, so let's take a look at number 3 questions. Okay, 这道很简单。OK，Emma 已经做完了，发给我了。Okay, so let's take a look at this one. We just give the rest of the student a little bit more time.
有水吗？
有的，谢谢。
Where did Ariel go?
Ariel 去哪儿了？Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So how do we do this? Is Alan bought 2 kilograms of candies and Billy bought 4. So Alan got 2, Ariel is back. Okay, so Billy got 4 kilograms. And Carrie got nothing, right? But in order to share the evenly with 2 people, so Carrie takes out $6 out of her pocket. How much money Alan will get and how much money Billy will get. So let's take a look at this one. So in order to share the amount, we need to know that averagely how much kilograms of candies like each of them are going to get if they're sharing between each other evenly, right? So 6 divided by 3, it's 2 kilograms, 2 kilograms, and 2 kilograms. So you're going to find out actually Billy paid Carrie's money, correct? Okay, and Alan is just exactly whatever he is got. So that's why Carrie's $6 will go to where? Carrie's $6 is going to be equally for 2 kilograms of candy. So it's exactly she need to give it to who? Need to give it to Billy. So that's why. Get it? Understand everybody? OK， 每个人平分嘛，对不对？那 Alan 没有给 Carrie 任何东西，那 Carrie 要不要给 Alan 钱？不要，因为 Alan 就是只付了他自己的。Get it, everybody? So Billy is just to get all the money. This question is tricky, right? It's very tricky. Okay, so let's take a look at this one, okay? The average score will have to be the 86 for the last test, okay? He has to get 100 in order to make the average score increase to 88. How many tests are there altogether? Okay, so this question is different.
Wait, Carrie,
Mm-hmm.
I don't understand the question.
Okay, so there's a person, right? So he took a couple tests, okay? So he got 86 for the average score. Sorry, where's the number? So he got 86, 86, 86, but we don't know how many 86 are there. Maybe it's 10, maybe 20, maybe 5. We don't know that yet. Understand, Serena? Okay, but the last score, last test, he is, so before the last score, 它每一个都是86分 average, okay? So Emma 加上了 last score, 它变成什么了？它的 average 变成88. So this one is also 88. So I want you to, this question, okay? 如果我们用单纯的那种学校里的方法 it's going to be hard. 但是如果你用老师的方法，你想86变成88多了多少？多了多少？
哦，
2分，对不对？那100变成88少了几分？哎，你要发觉你少的就是你给别人的，所以这两个是不是加起来要相等啊？ So you have to be 0, right? So if you have minus 12, so how many positive 2 are there?
6.
Very good. So how many tests are there altogether? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, I want you to do the 把这个图再画一遍，再画一遍。因为你看 Serena， 你记不记得我们前面有道题86，对不对？啊，不是86， 88，对不对？然后呢，就变成加了最后一个 Spanish 考完以后啊，它就变成92了，你记不记得？对不对？这里加了4分，这里加了4分，对不对？那这边 也是92，那这边多了4分从哪里来的？从这里减掉的，所以这些数字加起来要等于0。So they crossed each other, right? So we're going to know that the Spanish is 100 because 100 minus 8 equals 98. Get it? So that's the same thing. If you have before, I don't know how many 86 are there, everybody. So this question is a little bit hard, right? 86, 86. You don't know how many 86 are there, but after you take the last final test, the average became 88. So in order to make 186 became 88, you need to what? Plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, right? And this 90, this 100, obviously, how to make it 88 is minus 12. Get it, everybody? Serena, understand? So you know that all the numbers plus and minus together need to be the same. So you immediately, you know that it's 12 divided by 2 equals 6. So that means there are 686 there. So in order to get these 12 being crossed out. So how many tests are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Understand, Ariel? Understand, Cynthia? Okay, this question is a little bit hard, okay? So I want you to think about it. Thank you. Okay, so let's take a look at next one, okay? Oh yeah. Okay, so let's take a look. Huh? 好呀，好呀，好呀，谢谢。大头，你要不要带大头去遛一下？让他把那些有毒的东西排掉一下。对啊，但是他那个巧克力在他体内时间长是不是不好呀？我告诉你们，狗里吃了巧克力。
I know.
Yeah, I know. I'm so scared.
Where did they get the chocolate?
他偷的呀。
Oh wow.
Is he gonna do a big poop?
狗不能吃巧克力的，我怕它有生命危险。狗子啊，过来，过来，过来，过来，过来。
Did Goody eat chocolate or Bagel eat chocolate?
狗的，
他吃了多少啊？
他吃了1块。
Oh
哦，
wow.
那没事。
Okay, that's
这
some
样
chocolate.
这样子1块，还好不是很大，这样子1块。
我家猫也吃过。
猫吃巧克力好像没什么事儿，但狗不能吃巧克力的。
哦。
这个Goody. Goody is a very good dog. 他每天晚上都会在我的床脚下，默默的陪我睡觉，而且都不用叫，一到点他自己就到那边去睡着了。这道会不会做啊，小朋友们？
I got like half of it and then I'm like stuck.
I don't know if what I'm doing is right, but I'm just gonna do it. Yeah, I don't know if this is right, but I'm just gonna.
Okay, so Cynthia has finished. Okay, so let's take a look at this one if everybody get it right or not, okay? Goldie, stop it. Emma and Cynthia got the different answers, okay? The rest of you, 加油啊. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. I only see 2 students send it to me and just to see. Okay, so 10 students attending a test. Okay, the full score is 100. 也就是说每个小朋友做到满分是几分 ，Serena?
100.
100, 对不对? Okay, so now let's take a look at this one. So if average score for these 10 students is 92, 那也就是说有几个92啊，小朋友们？
10.
好，我们来看一下。1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Correct, everybody? Okay, so 我们来看一下，小朋友们，他现在问题是他说 What is the possible lowest score for these students? 什么意思啊？ So that means in order to make them all 92, but we want to make the lowest, 那我们就想怎么样？把别的所有的分数怎么样 ？As low as possible. As high as possible. Understand this one? OK, 我们现在这里停一下，有些小朋友可能不理解啊。就是说，如果我们想让它变成 average 92，那我想问一下小朋友们，这10个小朋友的 total amount 是多少？是不是92乘以10等于920啊 ？Correct, everybody? 是不是啊？是不是啊 ？Serena， 对不对？也就是说 I don't care which one got how much scores, but I just want to make the total score is 920, then we're good. 好了 So in order to make one of the score cheapest, we want to do what? 其他小朋友全都是满分啊。那我们可以有多少满分？哎，9个满分。Get it? So because altogether there are 10 people, and I just to make the 9 of them are 100. So the last one will be what?
20.
Last one will be 20. So the lowest score will be 20. Everybody understand? 老师去开个门啊。Well, everybody understand this question? Emma, understand? Okay, 你的思路是对的 okay? Your thoughts is totally right, but just a little bit hint. 现在懂了吗 Emma? 懂了吗 Cynthia? 懂了吗 Ariel? Okay, understand everybody? Okay, 好，那我这道题目如果改一下啊 okay, if I change it, okay? So I change this question into, so the score, the full score is 99. 啊，有些题目，那 Serena 说老师怎么可能啊？ 哎，我现在就改了，OK？这是满分，不是100分，满分是99分，OK？ So the average score for 10 students still 92. So what is the lowest score for these students? Okay, so let's just check this question and just to make a change. So let's see if you really understand or not. Okay, so Serena gave me the answer. Okay, Emma also gave me an answer. So let's take a look at this one, okay? So the total score for all of them still 92 times 10 equals 920. Understood, Violet? Understood, Cynthia? 对不对? But unfortunately, right now, each of the student can have the highest instead of 100, it became 99. Correct? So we just to make all of the 9 student became 99. So it's 99 times 9 equals 891. Okay, so the rest of the last student who can get it is 920 minus 891. So the answer is 29. Good job, Serena. Very good. Okay, you understood. Emma 看到了吗？什么地方做错了？就是没有算。OK， 好，我们现在啊，再来一个啊。So change it to the full score will be 120. Okay, so for the average for the student is 95. Okay, everybody, last chance 啊，再做错打屁股了啊。关上门，关上门。一样的，想想看啊，如果每个小朋友平均分是95分，那这个10个小朋友一共可以拿几分？Okay, Serena has sent me the answer. Cynthia，你看看你这个 lowest score 很 high 啊，这个 lowest 好像有点 high 啊，对不对？我们看啊，每个小朋友拿95分，一共10个小朋友。So the total score for this class should be 950 scores, correct? Okay. So the full score for 120，那我们来看看120如果 times 9等于什么？那1080已经超过了。 所以不可能让所有的小朋友都9个小朋友都拿满分，我们最多只能让8个小朋友拿满分，行不行？哎，都不行，8个小朋友拿满分都超过了。Get it, Cynthia? Okay, very good. Okay, so this is a totally different thing. So this is how the mathematical questions training your brain, Serena, understand? So it's never one situation is gonna fit for all the things. Okay, 我为什么喜欢 math? Okay, I want to tell everybody, okay? So math is every single question is actually different. You need to be well armed and well prepared for every single question. So this question looks very the same, right? But actually not. 虽然前面那题做对了，对不对？这道题又不对了，对吧？啊，又有点不一样了。好，那也就是说，每个小朋友最多只能有7个小朋友拿满分，对不对？好了，还有剩下3个小朋友，那950减去840，还有几分？还有110分。所以就说110分分给3个小朋友，太简单了。The lowest score for this student is 0分啊。110分分给3个小朋友很简单，一个小朋友拿55分，一个小朋友拿55分，还有个小朋友拿0分，或者一个小朋友拿100分，另外小朋友拿10分，然后最后小朋友拿0分。What is the lowest score？就是不拿分啊，1分不拿。Get it, Serena？我们1分钱都不给他。Yeah, I know. 哎，他说老师，you're so，你这个是不是有点残忍啊，老师？You're so crucial. No, we said the lowest. What is the lowest? 现在是没有倒扣，我们最好有倒扣-1分都可以啊。Understand everybody? Okay, so now the question again has been changed, okay? So now the full score is 110 and everybody is having 99 points. Okay, everybody? So now it's your time to check these questions. 看看有没有人能够做出来啊。OK, Emma 说了0分。OK, 我们看看他是不是又是0分。OK, so 99 times 10, Cynthia 也说0分。OK, 看看你们都太狠了。Okay, so 110, so 99 times 10 equals 990, right? Violet 也说0分。Okay, so let's see. So 110如果乘以9的话，哎，刚好990，对不对？好了，剩下那个小朋友几分啊？0分。Very good. Good job, everybody. You understand it. Okay, good job. Very good. 好，那我们来看下面一道题啊。Okay, so let's take a look at this one. We need to produce the 800 cards, okay? So the first 10 days, we produce 44 cards averagely. The rest of the cards needed to be done within 8 days. Then how many cards we needed to produce afterwards? Okay, everybody, think about it. OK 啊，小朋友们，给我答案不太一样啊。好，我们先来看一下啊，这道题目。So we need to produce altogether 800 cars, right? So the first 10 days, we produced 44 cars averagely. I want to ask Ariel a very simple question. So that means how many cars has been produced already for these 10 days?
44?
No. First 10
Oh, right.
days.
400, no, 440?
Very good. It's 44 times 10 equals 440. Okay. 好了，前面10天已经造了440辆车了。So Violet, let me ask you, how many cars are left is not being produced yet?
360.
Very good. 800 minus 440 equals 360, right? Okay, so let's take a look at this one. So the rest of the cars need to be done in 8 days. Then how many cars we needed to produce afterwards? So how many needed? 360 divided by 8 equals 45 cars. Okay, so that is the answer. Okay, so now let me ask you a question. Okay, so how many cars are there? Okay, so understand everybody? So 45. Okay, very good. So now let's take a look at this one. Okay, Class A went out for picnic on a bus. Everybody pays $30 for the bus. If there are 6 people join the picnic on the bus, so everybody is paying $30, okay? The price dropped to $25. How much is the cost to renting? If there are, okay, sorry. I need to make the changes. Sorry. OK，好，我来看一下这道题目是这样子的，就有一个班级的小朋友去野餐，对不对？好，学校里面呢就开了一辆车去接他们。OK，understand, Serena? Okay, so everybody need to pay $30 for the bus itself. We don't know how many people are there, so that's why we don't know how much money is going to be the total. Okay, to rent the bus. But if there are 6 more people join the picnic on the bus, the price dropped to 25. 为什么？因为人多了嘛，那个钱就少了，对不对？ Everybody understand? Okay, so now I want to know how much is the cost of renting the bus? Okay, everybody think about it.
How would we figure it out if we don't know how many people there used to be?
Okay, so if you don't know how many people are used to be, Serena, can we just name X people there? Can we do that? So if there are X people, so how much money they're going to be total? each of them are paying 30.
30.
30x, correct? There are X amount of people and 30x, right? So now the money will be the same, but then the money dropped to 25. Why? Because the people is changed to 6 plus X. Correct, everybody? Okay, so if you want to thinking about this way, it's going to be the algebra way, okay? But there's another way. We can do 30x equals 25 times x plus 6. That's a one way. And there are also another way is if we don't know how much is the cost of the renting the bus. Okay, so we can do the other way is at the very beginning is 30, 30, 30, 30, 30. But do we know how many 30s? We don't know. Correct? Sincere? Okay. But now the price dropped to where? 25, 25, 25. And because we know there are more than 有几个人加入了? 6 person. Right? 66 per people. So now let me ask you. 这个25个人 sorry, 这个25块钱每个人是不是 coming from 这6个人? So these 6 people increased how much money? 150, right? And every single one has minus $5, correct? So how many minus 5 are there? 150 divided by 5 equals 30. So that means at the very beginning, there are 30 students. So how much is the rental cost? 30 times 30 equals 900. And you're going to find out 25 times 36 also equals 900. Okay, so that's the same thing. 有没有记得这个方法老师说过好几次了，对不对？那我们如果用 algebra 的方法做也是一样的 30x equals 25x plus 150. Right, so 5x equals 150, so x equals 30. So that means at the very beginning you have 30 people. Okay, other way. Okay, 小朋友们这道题懂了吗? If you don't understand, I can explain again. 懂了吗？这道题目很重要啊。So if you understand this question, you're going to think about it. It's actually the same as the one before, right, Ariel? 是不是跟以前的差不多的，对不对？也是把它想出来。我们一定要理解 average 到底是什么意思。Okay, so now let's take a look at this one. Okay, so this question is very easy. A, B, C, D, there are 5 numbers. The average number for A, B, C, D is 75. The average number for A, C, D is 70. Average number for A, D is 60. The average number for B and D is 65. And I want you to find out what is A. 最后一道题了啊，加油！今天学的比较难的，对不对？脑子被用起来了，对不对啊？未来做好了吗？教大家一下，比如说，什么叫 A B C D 的 average number 是 75？So A plus B plus C plus D divided by 4 equals 75. So on the other hand, A plus B plus C plus D equals what? Equals 300. Everybody understand? Okay, so on the other hand, so A plus C plus D plus E equals what? Who can tell me?
280.
Very good, 280. So the average of ADE is 60. So A plus D plus E equals what? Ariel?
180.
180. Very good. Okay, last one. So the B and the D plus together equals what?
130.
Okay, everybody. So if you take a look at this one, 你看看这里啊 ，A 加 C 加 D 加 E 等于多少？A 加 D 加 E 等于多少？那我们能不能马上把什么算出来了？
C is 100.
Very good。好了，老师不提醒了啊，后面肯定能自己做了。还没算出来啊，太简单了。你看，B 加 D 等于130，对不对？那 C 加 B 加 D 等于多少？是不是等于230啊？因为这是130，这是100，是不是230？好，那我们再来看 A 加 B 加 C 加 D 等于多少？等于300。那和这个一比，多了个什么？多了个 A 啊。那 A 等于多少？A 等于70。做完了。Get it, everybody？看到了吗 ？OK，我跟大家说啊。So math is not about， 我知道小朋友们很多时候在家里面做很多 calculation， 对不对？ Math is not about all the calculation. It's about you need to survey it. You need to take a look. Oh, this is having a little bit clue. 那个有点 clue. Math 特别像什么，知道吗？特别像破案。就比如说这里有个坏人，他做了个坏事情，他肯定会留下蛛丝马迹 ，a little bit hint here and there。那你们就像 detective， 要把这个东西全都一个一个搜集起来，然后把题目做出来，就找到坏人是谁。Understand everybody? Okay, so that's it for today's class. Okay, I'm very happy today because this class 今天学的东西非常的难啊。小朋友们如果有点不会的话怎么办？哎，回去看一下你们的这个录像，好不好？看一下录像，基本上就出来了，好不好？老师非常 proud of all of you. Okay, 非常非常好 ，very good. Okay, good job. So you're gonna do a very good homework, right? Promise me, girls class, perfect. Okay, pinky pledge. Pinky pledge. Okay, bye bye, everybody. Have a wonderful Saturday because today is a very good weather. Just go out and enjoy the weather. Okay, bye bye.
Thank you,